Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to exit full screen mode on TradingView. If you've ever found yourself stuck looking at those charts with no way to access the rest of your browser, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know several super simple ways to get in and out of full screen, so you can switch back to your workflow with zero frustration. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open up TradingView. Head over to TradingView.com and log into your account like you usually do. If you're new to TradingView, don't worry. It's a web-based charting platform that's popular for tracking stocks, crypto, and lots of other assets. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll probably see a whole bunch of options, but to follow along, make sure you're looking at your main chart workspace. Now, right at the top of the screen, you'll see a menu bar running across. Go ahead and click on the button that says Products. It should be up there near the center or slightly toward the right, depending on your screen layout. The Products button opens up some of TradingView's extra features. But for this tutorial, we're focused on the charting area, so don't worry about exploring the rest just yet. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the chart window. You'll notice there are a couple of icons up here, including one that looks like a gear for settings. Just beside that, you'll find a little square icon. It's usually pretty unobtrusive, but that's the one you'll want to click. When you tap that square, your chart zooms into full screen mode, which can be really helpful if you want to focus, analyze prices, or simply minimize distractions. Full screen is great for getting the most detail out of your chart, especially if you're comparing indicators or looking for patterns. But here's the thing, once you're in full screen, sometimes it feels like there's no obvious way out. Don't worry if that happens. The simplest method to exit full screen is just to press the escape key. That's usually at the very top left of your keyboard. Just one tap on ESC and TradingView will shrink back to its regular view, putting all your browser tools and tabs right back where you expect them. If you're on a laptop, make sure your function keys aren't locked, but the escape key works on almost all devices. Now, if you love keyboard shortcuts or if you want to be extra quick, TradingView has an even faster way to toggle full screen on and off. Try pressing Shift and F together. That's Shift plus F. This shortcut instantly enters full screen mode, and if you press it again, it pops you back to your usual layout. It's kind of like flipping a light switch, super satisfying if you like efficient workflows or if you're switching views in the middle of a trading session. If for any reason your keyboard shortcut doesn't work, just stick with the escape key method or click the square icon again. Either way, there's always a way out. And honestly, that's it. You now know all the quickest, easiest methods to enter and exit full screen mode on TradingView, whether you prefer using your mouse or keyboard shortcuts. Hopefully, this frees you up to analyze charts, jump between tabs, and stay focused without any technical hiccups. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And if you've got any questions or there's another TradingView trick you want to learn, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Make sure to subscribe for more straightforward, easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.